What's up, everybody? This is Sweetman.eth, aka Sweets the Engineer, and today we're showing some new features on Beats. The feature that we just built is for collectors, and it's to help make and reduce friction when you're trying to collect. So let's say you found Jaden Violet's UVR podcast and you were ready to collect. Currently, if you click the collect button and your wallet's not connected, you just get this message that says, please sign into your wallet. Now, the easy thing to do is to scroll up here, click the button, and then sign in, but we could make it easier. What I've just fixed is, so now, same situation, our wallet's not connected. You scroll down, you're ready to buy, you click the collect button. Now, instead of just telling you, it's just going to open up and allow you to connect your wallet. That way, you don't have to scroll around or think about where do I go to connect my wallet. It just automatically prompts you to do it. As soon as you connect your wallet, you're then able to actually buy the track or collect the track. And it's that easy. So that's the big feature. Before, you just got prompted, and now we set it all up for you. If you got any questions, reply in the comments below. This is Sweets, signing off.